Good Sunday morning, everybody. I am coming to you from Christchurch, New Zealand today. I'm in a lovely room at the Distinction Hotel here, and I have three big activities to do today. So the first one, I get to go paddle a Waka, which is a Maori canoe down the Avon River, so hopefully I don't fall. Second, I am going to some kind of bird place, so maybe the birds will land on my head again. I don't know what's gonna happen there, but I get to see a Kiwi bird, which I haven't seen yet, so I'm looking forward to that. And then lastly, this was the one that I'm most excited about. I'm going to an Antarctic experience where it's gonna feel like I'm actually in Antarctica. So I have lots of layers on. I have my big jacket, my scarf, my hat. I'll be all bundled up and I get to pretend like I'm an Eskimo. So they call this their New Orleans Center. I felt bad telling them it doesn't look anything like New Orleans.
Hoi, hoi, hoi. So if you want, come help yourself to a hoi eat.
Kia ora koutou, on behalf of Kotami, we'd like to welcome you all to Waka, Christchurch. On the beautiful Takuro, also known as Avon River. So we're obviously in South Island. South Island's the big island we are connected to at the moment. We're on.
Culture, we don't believe in saying goodbye to the living, only to those who passed away. So mate wa is another saying to see you again in the future. See you another time. So mate wa.
That was good.
Sometimes the people get on a wavelength where they decide they're going to name them all after, we don't want to give them away to another zoo and we don't have to.
He's on the stump. He's trying to push the stump over.
Looking for bugs under there to eat.
Wow.
Well, he's looking for the insects that might be under it.
Wow. Look at that.
I was just
They're everywhere, guys. Want to keep going, guys?
I am at the Willowbank Wildlife Center. It is their 50th birthday today, and I am seeing so many animals.
This guy, yeah.
Hello.
Posing romantic. You might change your mind. Green haggling along, he's going to go over the skep here. This is our crevasse. It's 1 metre across there. Haggling can make it up to 1.9 metres. So we're driving one haggle today, so we're going to go around and see what we make it over. So Antarctica is the highest continent.
Okay, you guys, they give you jackets and shoe covers, and you get to go into this little room for an ice storm, and it's currently -8 degrees in there, and you can only stay in 5 minutes.
even though we are the Antarctic Center, we're not actually home to Antarctic penguins. Little penguins are very small, and they wouldn't really do well in the Antarctic with being so cold. So they're native to southern Australia and all around New Zealand. And they're the smallest penguin species in existence. There's 18 penguin species total, all located in the southern hemisphere. And little blues are the smallest. They stand around 30 centimeters tall and weigh about 1 kg. That's a huge, I guess, difference between emperor and penguin. Emperors are actually the largest penguin. And they stand up to 1 meter tall and weigh up to 40 kgs. For little blues, their scientific name is Udipula minor, and that translates to good little diver. And good little divers they are. So in the wild, little blue penguins dive on average about 10 meters or so, and these dives will last about 25 seconds because they spend about 80% of their lives in the ocean.
Except this thing's in the way. There we go. Oh, don't go home. Don't go home yet.
Where are you going?
No, I want to lie down.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
Oh, where are you going?
Yeah, and I guess I'm videoing. Oh, I am. So, scream or something.
It is getting really cold. Like it's starting to feel like pins and needles. How much longer?
Oh, you've done 14 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, you've done 30.
My fingertips.
You've done 30. You've done more than I have. Oh,
How much more? How much more?
in order to get a minute, you've only got 22 seconds left.
Okay, I can do this.
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it, Emily. 15 seconds.
I can do it.
You've done
I can do it.
You've done 40. You've done 45. Now you've only got 8 seconds. 8, 3, 2, 1. Shut up! Success!
Okay, I'm at the Antarctica experience with my adventure friend Lucy, and we have seen penguins and huskies and did an ice storm and held our hand in ice water and had a good old cold time.